guys, I'm starting. Hey guys, you might not know me, but I am known as LPS Girl on YouTube. You might see some of my videos, but today I'm on Xbox playing Castle Crashers with a few of my friends, just two. Their names are Little Junebug,
Hello.
June3Bug, and Gogos. So we are gonna start the game, and while it's loading,
I wonder if my dad could put a recording.
okay, so I'm gonna be my pink character, which is level 36. And
I don't care.
they are gonna be their colors.
Hey, I'm gonna question this.
Okay,
Why is it you have a heart and me and Gogos have two?
so we are gonna do some fun stuff today. What happened? So let's go to. Okay, I wanna do something funny.
Hey, why do I have
Wait, no, this is not it.
Hey, Genholder, can I go back to the blacksmith? I don't have like regular weapons.
Okay, we're gonna go back to the blacksmith.
I don't have my weapon. I should have gone already.
If you guys want to tell the audience something, or the people who watch, you can ask me, but it might not work because the voices might not work.
What do you mean?
Well, I'll explain it when we're done with the recording.
Did you know one of these thingies have like...
So, guys, I hope you like this video. We're not done though, 'cause that would just be weird. So, I've been getting a lot of comments saying, do Castle Crashers, come on, come on. So, we are gonna do a boss.
I hate this boss. I know. No.
See how he is ripping the door open.
And now he is small.
Okay, so we're just gonna fight. Watch as you see the hearts? That means magic. Watch my magic. Rainbow. Let's go. So this is kind of my first video of Castle Crashers. If you want to learn more about my life,
Hey, stop punching me. Die.
I'm not gonna say how old I am, my address, but I will do more Littlest Pet Shop videos.
Whoa.
Dodge this. I'm not dodging.
Wait. This is the worst video ever. Logo has his controller unconnected, and I am dead.
Okay, so we are gonna redo this. messed up totally.
I'm just gonna sit right here. Ow! Let's talk about this. No,
We might show you this glitch,
we have to talk
but
about
leave in the comments if you want us to start at level 1.
Can we just talk about this?
Okay. But if you want us to start from level 1 next time, just leave a comment below.
Ow, ow. I'm doing that. Wait,
If you wanna ever play with me on Castle Crashers, if you ever want to play my Castle Crashers, and I also play like Minecraft. Hey, someone come heal me. Okay, so it turns out that was a big fail. But we're just gonna start from level 1 because we're supposed to. We don't want to spoil the surprises in the audience. Level 1.
Oh, come on.
That's-
I hate this level. Everyone's too easy.
I know.
Oh, that was disgusting.
Little Jitterbug.
Yeah, my game just froze for a little.
Oh, and I just got a worse weapon.
I think someone that
And if you want to see
only does
us,
1 damage.
and if you want to see us,
Minecraft.
tell me if you like this doing it with my friends.
Hey, that you're responsible for that. Get that half back on that girl. Just get that half back on that girl.
Rainbows.
Wow. These are
And guys, after all my videos, I might do something real annoying, like Nyan Cat or something at the end of my videos. Like I might do songs, I might do Nyan Cat, might do lots of stuff.
Oh, please no.
But if we get 100 likes or... Hey, someone needs to get their weapon back. But if we get 100 or 1,000 likes,
I needed some potions.
I will do a 2-hour special.
I need you to make potions. And get out from our friend.
Guys, okay. Guys, you know how I was saying to a lot of people talking. If you cannot hear my friends, they are talking like crazy. And if we get 1,000 or 100 likes, I will do a 2-hour special tomorrow. It will be good, but I might not do it because my brother also likes to play on this.
Hey, Jethro, why don't you and your brother play on Loco?
Yeah, me and my brother, if it's all right with him sometimes. Maybe if I get 2,000 likes or something, I will do a special with my brother. He's really good at it.
Where am I?
See, we killed that boss really quick because of our swords. What sword is that? Yeah. I'm in slow motion. Hey, penguins everywhere! Woo, woo, woo. So maybe sometimes. Why is that? Maybe sometimes I will.
Meow, meow, meow.
Sneak attack! Sneak attack, sneak attack.
Oh, hey, you come back here.
Sometimes, like I was saying,
Not doing nothing.
Okay, never mind. As you can see, my pet. Okay, guys, get in a line. Get in a line. So, my pet is a giraffe. What is your pet, little Junebug?
Mine is a monster. It kind of does nothing, but
Yeah, it kind of does nothing because he lost his pet.
I lost my pet. It was a good
What does your Gogo's has the same one as me? Bye bye. What? He had the same one as me, so I'd rather not say anything. Oh, watch little Junebug. Oh, what? Watch how they get their boomerangs out. Ooh, we're gonna do boss. This one's practically really easy.
Yeah. It's very easy that we could just kill it in like about 3 hits.
Yes, or more.
Like 15. Hey, the hell around, see something?
See? He's gonna die. 3, 2, 1. Oh. If you can't hear my sound, I will turn it up. Guys, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. So please don't hit me yet. I'm not ready. Okay, I'm ready. Oh no, there's no lightning! No. Come on. The guy spams lightning. Yeah, little Junebug. Come on, little Junebug. No. Rick. Oh my gosh. Okay, do not look at him. It's just weird. He likes to say meow.